Hi, my name is Prakash Patel. In this video, I would like to show you how to use TweetDeck to manage multiple social media sites. Inside this video, we'll discuss what is TweetDeck, why you need to use TweetDeck, and how to use TweetDeck. That leads to the first question, what is TweetDeck? TweetDeck is a free third-party software application to manage multiple social media sites from one central dashboard. Why do you need TweetDeck? If you are using multiple social media sites like Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, and Twitter, it is very difficult to manage all of them individually. It is not only time consuming, but it is also frustrating to keep monitoring those sites individually. So TweetDeck provides a dashboard to manage all these sites from one central place. Once you configure TweetDeck, it is very easy to manage all those social media sites from one central dashboard. How to use TweetDeck? That's a very good question. I will show you exactly how to use it. I will see you on the other side. Hi, welcome back. Here I will show you how to install TweetDeck and how to use it. First you open up your browser and go to a website called www.tweetdeck.com and hit enter, and you will go to the main website of a TweetDeck. Now in my case, I have already installed TweetDeck and I'm using TweetDeck on this particular computer. But if you are using first time uh, TweetDeck and try to install it, it should show you here the download TweetDeck instead of launch TweetDeck. And same thing, if you click this link download, it should show you here download TweetDeck. It supports both Mac as well as Windows versions, so you can click download TweetDeck button here and follow the step-by-step process, and it will install an icon on your desktop, or if it's a Mac, then you will see the TweetDeck icon just like here on the bottom. So that's how you install the TweetDeck. I'm not going to install here because I have already installed here, but once you install it, you can click on that icon of TweetDeck and open up the uh, dashboard of a TweetDeck. Now if you are using this first time, you have to configure those TweetDeck setup for all your social media site to create those columns here. Basically, these are all the columns for different social media sites, as well as your customized search columns. And I will show you exactly how it works. But first you go to the settings here, and two things you need to do. Number one is set up an accounts where it will allow TweetDeck to monitor those social media sites. So you can add whatever you are using: Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, and LinkedIn. In my case, I am using all four of those. So I already set up those four, but you can add new social media sites by clicking this add new account and go through the step-by-step process. It will ask you the username and password for that particular social media sites, or an API key in some cases. But once you do that, then it will successfully add those social media configuration for you. Once you complete that, then second things you need to do is make sure your notification is correct. Notification is the window where it pops up the notification windows on your desktop, where it will show you exactly how people are sending messages and which you can monitor it. I particularly get annoyed with this particular feature, so I keep it notification windows off. But if you want to turn it on, you can just click here again and it says detail on. Or if you like summary notification, you can click here and it will say summary on. But in my case, I'm trying to turn it off both of them, so it says both detail as well as summary off. Now if you have that notification on, then you can also select the position of those notification window on your desktop. It could be right top corner or whichever corner you like on your desktop, and you can select any one of those. So that's how it works. And the bottom, it's a notification sound. So if the notification window is on, then it will not only show you notification on the desktop, but it will also show you with some kind of humming sound. It is very annoying, so I try to turn it off, and I try to keep those notification off, but you can always use as per your flavor. So those are the two things, most important things you need to do here. Once you do that, then save it, and all your columns should be here. Now, second thing, I would like to show you how to send this short message updates to all your social media sites. But before we do that, I would like to show you, let's say if you want to add a column for a specific search in Twitter. For example, you are interested in some of the specific keyword search. So you can add a column for that, so you can see messages for that particular uh, interested keyword here. You can see here I have already added a keyword search import export, which is my interest. So I have already added column here, but you can type in here whatever your interest and basically add those columns here. And that's how you can pretty much add those columns. So that's a very good feature. I'll close it, and now I will show you exactly how to update those compose update. So you can click here on compose update. It will open up a place where you can type in a message, and the smallest character limit is for the Twitter 140 characters. So that's how it works, and it will show you on the top. By default, my case is only Twitter application message, but if let's say if I want to send it to all these social media sites, Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, and Twitter, then I can select all of them, and then I can come here and I say have a nice eve have a nice evening. And if I click hit enter, then it will send the message to all the site. You can see here all my friends getting have a nice evening message here. I have the notification window already turned off, so there is no notification on my screen, otherwise it will show me the notification window too. So that's how it works, and it is very easy to use it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please visit our blog site www.allaboutimportexport.com and sign up your email, and I will send you several technology roadmap videos just like this absolutely free. Thank you.